Action.
Okay. Today Ryan is learning how to make a banana boat. So we have a banana, and when you hold it sideways like this, it is a boat shape. And in order to prepare a proper banana boat, I'm sure there are many ways to do this, but here's how I do it. You begin with a sharp knife.
Pointed right at your hand.
Right at your hand. And
just like an avocado. So just like an avocado, you could put the banana on the table and do this.
And you slice a sort of full-length slice down the banana. Now, I like to make a little T incision as well at each end. Because,
like when you're dissecting a rat.
Yeah. Because what you want to do is peel the banana open then, like so.
It's a convenience.
Yeah. Then you take your knife again, and you can score the banana if you'd like to create crevices in which you can place your banana boat items.
Your meltables.
Your meltables, exactly. Now, I did not bring Hershey's chocolate, which is very convenient for putting in the banana crevices because of its shape, because I don't like milk chocolate. So, I brought these bittersweet 70% cocoa chocolate chips. Now, it's really important that for every one you put in the banana, you also put one in your mouth.
So far, you've eaten two and put one in the
I'm going to put two in. And then you just shove it in there, however many you want, like so. You can get them really deep in there if you want to. It's not supposed to be pretty. It's supposed to be delicious. You just really, I don't like too much chocolate. I should have brought the caramel ones.
What are you going to do with the banana, the marshmallow?
The marshmallow is going to get shoved in there too, just the same way.
Those are huge marshmallows.
I did not, you are correct, that I did not purchase mini marshmallows for this because we've had these marshmallows for 2 years in our kitchen cupboard.
Right.
At least 1 year, we'll put it that way. So, but the amazing thing about marshmallows is you can really just rip them into small pieces and then they become basically essentially the size of a mini marshmallow.
You've made a huge discovery.
And so I'm just
especially when they're that old, they're easy to
really easy. Well, they're really on the verge of being untearable and being rock hard, but they are still soft enough.
But that makes the pieces firm.
And so then you basically go back into your beautiful banana. And
down the sides.
Shove your. I mean, it's like wherever it fits in. You just 1 finger, 2 fingers, whatever she likes. You just push it in
Why
there.
did you say that?
I was making
now I can't put it on YouTube.
You can put it on YouTube. I don't have any problem with people knowing that
It'll get demonetized.
So I don't need, 1 marshmallow seems an adequate amount of marshmallow, but then I'm going to go back in.
Sprinkle.
And put a few more chocolate chips in there. Like so.
All right, our fire's going out.
Okay, the fire's not going to go out. The fire's very hot.
Get to the wrapping. Okay,
so then what you're going to do now, you want to imagine you're opening this and it's like hot and molten. So shiny side up.
Oh, why?
What?
Why?
I don't know. That's just how I always do it.
Oh, sorry.
I assume it's more reflective, so it keeps the heat. So you want to imagine I'm going to open this opposite of the way that I'm closing it.
Yeah.
Right? So I like to fold it in half, then roll it so I've got a nice double layer.
Fold it in the end like a burrito.
Yeah, you want to really seal it in there.
Yeah.
Now, if you're making banana boats with a lot of people, you'll want to craft this foil into a shape that you'll remember is yours.
Oh.
Or if you're making it with a lot of people, once your coals are hot, you're going to have a nice bed. You have to build a really big fire for a lot of people. And you imagine a grid, and you can actually draw on a piece of paper or in the sand the grid with people's initials, and then you place each person's foil dinner or banana boat on the grid, and that's how you keep track of who's when you've customized
Okay.
into your own thing. Thanks, Steph and Sumco, for that tip.
That's your bonus.
Enjoy your
bonus
banana
tip.
boats, everybody.